everyone, welcome back. We've obviously have taken a little bit of a hiatus. We ran into some issues with rebuilding our shop. We ended up having to move it on the opposite side of my property. So here we are, we're in the new shop. So we spent a lot of time trying to make this a nicer place to work, nicer place to be, a little bit more organized. We're still kind of working on getting that completely dialed in. So I still have to add some more shelving and kind of get the fab area figured out a little bit better. But for now, it's workable. I'm able to get some jobs done, get some cars rolling. We're working on Alex's RX-8, so there's gonna be a bunch of content coming from that. We'll kind of just peek through that, but we'll just do some more in-depth videos later on for that. So first and foremost, we've got, eventually this will be an area that will be kind of like a chill area. For now, it's the home of Brandon's SR20 that got roached, got overheated. So we are in the middle of rebuilding that. We're waiting for some parts for that one. This is our fab area. So essentially all my dirty fab is gonna happen in here. Eventually I will probably wall this off to where I can enclose all the dirt and nasty grindings and stuff like that. But for now, we'll just kind of keep everything covered up if it's critical and not getting dirty. But yeah, so we have our TIG welder, MIG welder, the cart. I'm still kind of working on a new setup for the saws and the vise and things like that. We put together a just kind of temporary fixture table, and I'm still working on getting the components to fixture things down. So it's not totally complete yet, but we're working on that. There you can see we're working on the intercooler piping for Alex's RX-8. A couple things that are kind of nifty. Decided to do kind of like a hitch setup here where we can change out the vise for the grinder and stuff on the table, so it makes it easy, mobile, and easy to work with. So yeah, that's kind of the fab area. That's where we're gonna be doing that stuff. And then this is kind of parts and tool area. So we have our specialty toolbox over in the corner, a shelf with just all the parts that we're using. We have all the piping and stuff to build the exhaust, intercooler stuff. We got all the chase base parts that came in, ignition coils, you know, so on and so forth, all that stuff. The RX-8 to Ford 8.8 diff conversion, ECU, all that stuff is there. And then I still got to kind of clean this up. We'll make this a nice area for like fluids and things like that to live. Yeah, so that's that. Got the tool cart. This is, you know, so it's nice and mobile. I can bring it around anywhere in the shop. It's easy to work with. And then there's not really much down that side. It gets a little tight because, well, we got a lift finally. I don't have to roll around on my back anymore. So that's the best part about this whole thing, really. It's really awesome. The guys over at Paradigm gave me a smoking deal on the lift and getting me hooked up with that. So I deeply appreciate that. So many people came together to help make this shop happen in a time where it got really dark for a little bit. And I thought I was just going to give up on everything. So thank you to everyone that helped get us here and get to the point where I can be in the shop happy and working again. Yeah, so Alex's RX-8, we've got the, we're working on the core support stuff, kind of a quick run through on it. Like I said, we're going to do more videos about this stuff, but radiators mounted, intercoolers mounted. We're working on the intercooler piping. Got the engine in the car. You can see that monstrosity of wiring off to the side there. We are going to move all of the wiring, or, you know, the fuse box and stuff inside the car so that we can make the engine bay really nice. So yeah, a lot of work's going to go into that. It should turn out to be a really, really cool build. So keep posted on our posts and our videos for that, and you'll see how we're doing with everything on that front. A couple other projects that we have in the works is I bought my gold E46 back. We found a shell to transfer everything from that car into a new shell. I really like the E36. Sad face, it's gone, it's wrecked. If you didn't know, maybe James will add a photo of that here. I really like the street car style of that car, so I really want to make the gold car powerful, but also street car friendly. I don't know that I'll probably add AC or anything like that. We'll see if I cross that bridge or not, but we will have that car back this year, so we're really excited for that. We have a couple events we're going to be doing this year. I will kind of be pulling a little bit back on the drifting front and kind of focusing on working on cars and videos and stuff, just so that I can get caught up from last year. And I also do have a second kid on the way, so I got to kind of be mindful of that. So yeah, that's kind of the update from us on this front. Just stay tuned, and we're going to keep hammering away on videos and content.
We are using the Chase Base kit